If you're new to pet insurance or having pets, you might not have heard of VPI Pet Insurance, but the case is that you might actually have anyway. VPI is short for Veterinary Pet Insurance and is one of the oldest pet insurance companies in America today. They specialize in pet animals within the US, so if you live outside of the US, you'll need to find pet insurance coverage elsewhere. As stated on their website, you can find coverage from petplane.com if you're a Canadian. For people in the book, I recommend reading the article it wrote recently about the Tesco company. One of the things I really like about VPI, compared to many of the other insurance companies that offers pet insurances, is that VPI only deals with animals. They aren't trying to sell you car insurance, home insurance, or different mortgage deals. It's just pet insurance, and that's it. As I see it, this will give you a lot of different advantages and, of course, a few disadvantages. But let us have a look at the advantages first. Dealing with a company that specializes in pet animals will have you feel comfortable that they know what they're dealing with. Not only do they know insurance, but one must assume that they also know a great deal about pet animals and the different aspects that are important when we're talking coverage from issues like sicknesses, aging, symptoms, and accidents. Being one of the oldest and most respected pet insurance companies in the US, they have a substantial record of issues they have experienced and dealt with. Now, this can also be a disadvantage to you as a customer, but I'll deal with that in a little bit. Taken from their website, a study made by RC Custom Research in September 2006 showed that 9 out of 10 veterinarians recommends using VPI as the provider of that insurance. I know that even though it is stated that it was an independent survey, it can't be fully trusted, but I do believe that it says something about the quality of the insurance company. I'll state up front that I do feel that there are many more advantages and there are disadvantages by choosing VPI, but naturally they'll have some advantages over other not so specialized insurance companies. First off, they ought to be far better at setting the right coverage price for your specific pet. Where other companies might think that a dog is a dog, VPI will know from many years of experience that this is not the case. You'll therefore risk being charged a higher fee if you have a pet with a greater likelihood of becoming sick or injured. Now, all in all, that can't hardly be argued not to be a fair deal, but the result will nevertheless be that you will have to pay more in insurance fees. Secondly, the knowledge that VPI has will make them better equipped to avoid paying out the coverage due to small technicalities that they know of. I'm not stating that this is the way they do business. Far from it. But they do have the option, and I believe that they will have an easier time doing it than other insurance companies might.